Hey, Mr. Swift here. I'm trying to make a video for you to draw the bottom bracket. This is the assignment for the day, and hopefully this video won't take too long, but be super helpful. So, very first thing, we're going to sketch, and we're going to sketch here in the front plane, and I'm going to draw two circles. We'll draw the outside diameter and then the inside diameter. And the nice thing about SolidWorks is we can just draw those randomly. It doesn't matter the size, but we can use our Smart Dimension tool and go through and make those the correct diameter. So the outside diameter of these bottom bracket shells is 40.5 and the inside diameter is 33.5. So once I've got those two dimensions put in there, we can go ahead and exit the sketch. And what I'm going to do is actually use the middle scroll button, and I'm going to press that down and give my drawing a little bit of a twist. That way, when we go and extrude it, we'll actually see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on Features. We're going to extrude that, and I can tell that that extrusion is exactly what I want, but the only thing is I need to change it to 68 millimeters. So that looks just like what we want. So I'm going to click OK, and now we have a couple things to do before we get done. One thing is we need to make sure we assign the material. So I'll right-click Material, Edit Material, and I'm going to go through and close the steel folder because this is actually made out of aluminum. So we'll click on aluminum alloys and scroll down to where it says 6061 alloy. Now that's the type of metal aluminum that they use when they're making bike parts. They can weld this and heat treat it, and it works really well for bikes. So we'll make it 6061 aluminum. We'll click Apply, and that assigns all the density and other properties of the alloy to our bottom bracket shell. And we can close that. Now the one other thing I want to do is change the appearance of it because it is aluminum and it is kind of a polished look. I'm going to click on our appearance setting, go to aluminum. I'm going to find my polished aluminum and drag that onto that. And you can see it changed it a little bit. So if I click on my eye or my box here, we can get rid of the outline and have a nice looking aluminum shell. So I'll click that OK. Hopefully that helped you out. Your next step would be to go through and evaluate it and get the mass properties of this. I will be giving extra credit to students who have their mass property as close as possible to the real bottom bracket shell. And the next assignment is a aluminum head tube, and I didn't make a video for that. Hopefully this video will help you out. The next aluminum head tube drawing is a little bit more challenging. Hopefully y'all can figure out how to do that. If you run into any problems, please shoot me an email. I'd be happy to help you out in a Google Meet or something like that. So good luck. Hope you all have a good weekend and that this video was helpful for you. Bye everybody.